So now we are going to start with our first chapter in psychology, which is psychology as a science. Why the subject of psychology is considered as a subject of science? When did it develop? Who were the great psychologists? Okay, it's the first chapter is similar to what it was in sociology. Here we'll discuss about various psychologists. Okay. Psychology is as a subject and science has established approximately 135 years ago. If we see it from a viewpoint of a person's life, then it is a very long time period. But for a subject, it cannot be considered the same. So what they have said is that psychology as a subject is developed 135 years ago. If you consider this as the age of a person, if you say a person is 135 years old, you will think, oh my god, the person is so old, 135 years old. But it's a subject. So you have to see the fact that 135 years is a very little time. See other subjects like maths, science, physics, English, they were developed so many years back, right? Like 200, 300, 400, 500 years back they were developed. So if you consider psychology, it's still a fresh subject, okay? It's still fresh, it's still new, okay? One can say that psychology has passed its infancy and childhood stage, but has entered the adolescent age. So what they have compared the subject of psychology to human being. So what they have said is कि when a baby is born, so first it's an infant એટલે baby, સાવ નાનું બોલી ના શકે એવું, that's called infant. Then the child becomes big, right, and the child enters into childhood, where you play, learn things, learn to talk, all those things are your childhood. The childhood stage ends at 12 years. Then you enter your adolescent age. Adolescent age is like teenage years, where you enter 13, that's why it's called teenage years. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's your teenage years. So what they have said is that the subject is still a teenager. The subject is still in that teenage years. Okay, the subject has not become mature, the subject has not become an adult, the subject has not grown. Okay, it's still developing, it's still moving step by step, it's still growing, okay, it's still developing. It is a very fast developing science. So it's a developing subject, it's developing at a very fast speed. 21st century is the age of biological science, and same will be the case with psychology. So 21st century, what we live in right now is the 21st century. It's the time where so many science is developing, right? You have development in physics, you have development in medicine, you have development in chemistry. So all the subjects are developing. Similarly, even the subject of psychology is also developing. When present world and human race have been facing various type of problems like terrorism, war, linguistic, religious and territorial problems which is breaking apart our world, the best solution for all this is psychology, which is going to play a very significant role. So what they are saying that we are living in a time when we are surrounded by tension, we are surrounded by stress, we are surrounded by things which upset us, right? Like terrorism. Terrorism, you all know what it is, Atankwadi. Okay? There is also the problem of linguism. Linguism meaning people are fighting in the name of language. People want separate place for their language. That is called linguism. Okay? When people fight in the name of language. Okay? Religion. Okay? People fighting in the name of religion. Hindus and Muslims fighting. Christians fighting. All the religions across are fighting, right? And territorial problem એટલે states ની વચ્ચે problem થાય. For example, ગુજરાત અને રાજસ્થાનમાં પાણીનો problem છે કે if there is a river flowing, so Rajasthan says it's my river, Gujarat says it's my river. Okay, if there is a forest, then this Gujarat says it's my forest, Rajasthan says it's my forest. So we have such problems arising which causes stress among us, which causes tension among us, and during that point of time we need to relax ourselves, we need to understand ourselves, we need to calm ourselves down, and for that we have the subject of psychology because it teaches us to keep calm, to be fine, to be proper. Okay, psychology as a subject does not mean કે હું કોઈના બ્રેનની અંદર ઘૂસીને જાણી શકું કે એ માણસ શું વિચારે છે. No, Psychology as a subject deals with your mental health, how you deal with your problems. Are you taking lot of stress because of the problems that are around you? How can you reduce that problem? How can you reduce that stress? How do you keep yourself calm? How do you avoid yourself from committing suicide or committing crimes? That is all things are included in the subject, okay? Not that what is the other person thinking, okay? The industrialization in the beginning of the 20th century led to urbanization.